Young Sheldon made Sheldon's saddest Big Bang Theory story worse. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my another video. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before starting the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a like up. Young Sheldon continues to hint at the Coopers' marital woes, and their situation may be so much worse than how Sheldon recalled it in Big Bang Theory. Warning. Contains spoilers for Young Sheldon Season 4, Episode 15, A Virus, Heartbreak, and A World of Possibilities. Young Sheldon has made Sheldon's story in the Big Bang Theory about his dad cheating so much worse. With CBS renewing the sitcom for 3 more seasons, tackling George Sr.'s infidelity is now mandatory. That means young Sheldon needs to start setting this tragic plot as early as now, especially considering how different the state of the Coopers' marriage has been in the prequel compared to how Sheldon recalled it in the Big Bang Theory. Before the spin-off was greenlit, Sheldon's family was already established in the franchise thanks to his constant stories about the Coopers. He would often refer to his twin sister Missy, as well as his mother Mary, who both made their respective appearance in the Big Bang Theory Season 1. Sheldon also talked about his experience living in a household where his parents regularly fought. There's some disparity between his recollection of his time living in Texas and what's shown in Young Sheldon, particularly regarding the state of the marriage of his parents. While they do bicker, serious arguments have been scarce, and if they do have those conflicts, they'd eventually resolve them. This makes Sheldon catching his father having sexual relations with another woman more dubious. Young Sheldon creates a problem with its Big Bang Theory crossover. That said, with the prequel already being criticized for its poor regard for preserving continuity, it doesn't have any choice but to confirm Sheldon's stories about George Sr.'s infidelity. Young Sheldon Season 4, Episode 15, A Virus, Heartbreak, and A World of Possibilities didn't only hint at the eventual ugly turn of events of George and Mary, it also made it so much sadder. In an effort to help Brenda move on from her husband, Herschel, leaving the house, Mary and Nima took her out to a bar where she talked about how exactly her marriage faltered. When asked if there's another woman, Brenda said none. As it turns out, they just slowly fizzled out, and the next thing they knew, all they did was fight each other. At this point, Mary became very worried, recognizing the pattern in her own marriage. This makes George Sr.'s infidelity so much worse, as Mary knew that they were heading down a dark path, and yet they still weren't able to fix it. It's worth noting that earlier in Young Sheldon Season 4, George said that he's unhappy. He didn't elaborate on that statement, and the sitcom has not revisited the idea ever since. There hasn't been any major fighting between him and Mary, which was initially a great indication of the health of their marriage. But Brenda's situation proves that a relationship can be gradually and subtly destroyed. Mary's reaction to this story may have somehow made her realize that just because there are no big arguments between her and George doesn't mean that they're okay. She could even be more sensitive to her husband's feelings moving forward, and in turn, it may result in him opening up. Unfortunately, given Sheldon's stories in the Big Bang Theory, these will more likely not be enough to salvage their marriage. Unless, of course, young Sheldon decides to rewrite the Coopers' history. There's still plenty of time for this dark story to unfold, as the series is confirmed to run at least until 2024. But young Sheldon needs to start planting plot seeds regarding this major plotline sooner, rather than later, if they want the narrative to play out properly. Otherwise, they risk totally breaking the continuity between the spin-off and the Big Bang Theory. Sheldon and Amy's engagement explains why Big Bang Theory had to end. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Young Sheldon 24, and stay with us.